Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos. So I already posted a post-market video of Bank Nifty today. So how it is levels has been responded for my levels that as I predicted. Please watch that previous video and come back here. So this is for pre-market analysis for Monday Bank Nifty. Okay. So if you are beginners, please watch my old videos. Okay, and technical topics which I have posted. So based on your support, I will upload more videos on technical things, levels, and how we need to predict everything. Okay. So and coming to topic, this is a pre-market video. Uh, See, this is the levels, important levels which I marked here. These blue color lines, okay, 41096, 41174. This zone, the pink color highlighted zone will be the important level. So market has been closed today on this area. Okay, around 41 200 to 36. Okay, so it is like trying to continue this recover. Uh, because almost it is 1,000 points today. It was went up. So whether it will continue or it will reverse, we'll see on this video. Okay. So these levels will be like strong support, correct? If taken resistance, then market will fall again, which I updated already. Okay. So we need to wait whether it will break this level or it is taking resistance. So for long position, suppose market will open in the same location, which is closed today. Okay, we need to wait because if taking resistance, market will break this levels, will reverse. Okay, if it is broken here, once retracement go for long up to previous day high. That is first position, you can book it. Okay, or trial your stop loss. Okay, if it is broken that, then it will go up to here. Close your all positions in this 41 527. Okay, because this is most important levels. Okay, market will fall from here itself. Okay, you can close the position clearly. Don't wait for the long opportunities. Okay, if it is breaking with huge green candles and the momentum is good, then trial your stop loss. Because normally after 80%, please trial your stop loss. If it is uptrend with a good bullish candles, then it will go. Then it will just break all these levels. If not, it will reverse from here with big red candles. So if you trial your stop loss, you will come out with a good profit. Okay, this is for long position. Okay, so suppose market, like as I said here, if it is market is reversing and breaking these levels for short position. Okay, like whether after breaking this or it is opening the gap down, whatever happened once, it is taking retracement from here, this would be the important level. Okay, market can reverse from here. So wait for short opportunity, don't go short immediately. Okay, you can just scalp something here if you need. Okay, unless you wait for the opportunity. Once it's broken, then go for short up to here 4769, almost 200 points. Okay, once it's broken, you can go for short because it will reverse from here, which I already updated if taken support. Either you can go for long from here for small scalping up to here this zone. Okay, or else wait for the clear trend. Once it's broken, it will be short opportunity. You can go down or to here. So Monday will be a little trending day, not that much sideways, not neither or never kind of only. We can expect little trending day or breakout opportunity. So wait for the clear trend, okay, and then go for position. Don't enter blindly anywhere. Okay, okay. So that is important, and always follow the stop losses. Okay, so that is also a important thing. So market already went up to these levels around the 900 plus points today. So it is doubtful to continue here. Okay, but we cannot predict everything. Okay, if it is a good move, it will go and break every levels to go up trend for the bullish momentum. Okay, but maximum market will play around this area. Okay, this area. Okay, this green area, you can go for long or scalp something. Okay, or else market will break and it will open the gap down and it will play here only for some 1 or 2 days. Okay, so that's my predictions. We'll see how it will go on Monday. Okay, so this is the levels. Mark on your chart and analyze on your own methodologies, then take trade on your own decisions. Okay, that's it guys, we'll see you on next video. Thank you so much.